Now that we've kind of covered the anatomical terms as well as the bones of the skull and their locations, it's time to start practicing with this activity here, which is a little bit more hands-off. And it's a quiz. Not going to be great as a quiz, it is strictly practice, but we do want to kind of get good at identifying these terms and locations. So I wanted to show you how to navigate this, which will be found on the next slide. You'll be doing it on your own. You'll be directed right to this page, and in order to start, you actually have to select one of the views of the skull. We'll just kind of work right across them straight in order. We're looking at, we'll start with the anterior. So if you just click on the skull, it will drop down, and then you can start looking at the different numbered questions. You'll see that you'll have choices, so you can select your answer option, and then move on to the next question. Once you get done, you can then scroll down to check your answers, and then you can find out how you did. Now, if you're not getting close to like 10 out of 10, keep going through it. You really kind of need to just know, like when we're talking about like the ethmoid bone, you should just get to a point where you just automatically know where that is. That's where you want to be. So play around with this as often as you'd like. It's accessible to you at all times of day. It is online. I will have a self-paced version of this Nearpod available, and I'll be sharing that code with you so you can always access any of the information within this particular presentation.